Hi campers, it's Miss Yaz from Camp Quarantine. I hope you're doing really well today. Today's lesson is brought to you by Sculptures again. For the last few days we've been learning about sculpture. So on the weekend we looked at sticky tape sculptures. Yeah. We learned about Louise Bourgeois, yes, from France, who then moved to America, who made the giant spider named Maman, which means mum in French. Yeah. We learnt about Alexander Calder yesterday. Yeah, he was also a sculptor. And we looked at his sculptures here. And we made our own cardboard sculptures where we use slots to slot them together. Now, today is quite exciting because what we're going to do is we're going to use paper and we're going to make a paper sculpture, okay? And there's going to be two things that we're going to do with this, all right? The first thing we're going to do is we are going to make a sculpture that kind of looks like this. This one's a bit fallen over, okay? And it needs to be on green paper. So if you don't have green paper, you can paint green paper, or you can color green paper, or you might just have a green piece of paper somewhere. But we're gonna need to stick it onto a green piece of paper and then not use any green on top. And I'll explain why very soon. Okay, so what we're gonna do is make one of these, right? Then we're gonna use a green piece of cloth. You could use green paper, you could use a green shirt, but it's got to be green, and we're going to do some magic tricks on this green piece of fabric or paper, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to make one of these, and then we're going to use this and a special app called Green Screen by Doink, okay? It looks like this, parents. It's not free, sadly, but it's $8. And can I just say, it is the best $8 you will spend during lockdown, okay? So it's this one here. And what you can do is what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to put one of your sculptures into one of your favorite places to be. So in this one here, one of my students made a sculpture and put it at the swimming pools. It is not there. We are just pretending, okay? It's like a bit of magic called green screening, okay? So the first thing we're going to do today is make one of our sculptures, okay? So what we've got here is I've got some examples, and it's kind of like when we used the foil and we were folding and twirling and doing all that stuff. These are some examples, and I'll take a photo for you, and we're going to put it together, okay? So the first thing I've got is your paper must be green, all right? The next thing I might do is I might make a tube. Let me just copy what I've got here. I'm going to just do one of these. Get a rectangle. Okay, hold on. Because I want something for my sculpture to go around. Okay, so you could make a cone. You could make a tube. I might make a tube. I've got my glue stick, so you need glue and some scissors and maybe a pen or a Sharpie or a pencil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue here and then just roll it up. Okay? Got that? Then what we're going to do is to stick it to the paper, what we're going to do is we're going to cut little slits. Not slots, like there's big triangles. I guess you could do slots, but these little slits here. Like that. And then we're going to flick them up. You could do a cone again or any other shape that you want, but I'm just going to do a tube. There we go. Then I'm going to put some glue. Okay. Like that. And stick it to my green paper. All right, let's stick it down like that. Make sure it's all stuck down, and then we've got this stuck to our green ground, okay? Next up, I'm going to do a frill. They look like eyelashes. So here we've got some blue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, but not to the end. There's a little bit left there. Can you see that? I'll cut all the way. Okay, see this? Then I'm going to use my pen and I'm just going to roll it so there's a little bit of flicking like an eyelash. There you go. Roll it around. There we go. Can even just give it a bit of a hand. And then I'm going to stick it to the top of my sculpture, okay? So I'm going to put some glue just at the bottom, okay? Here it is, some glue there, and I'll stick it to the tube around. Oh. And so far we have this. Who knows what I'm making? It's a bit abstract and that's okay, okay? Then I've got, what else could I do? Here we've got, maybe I'll do a roll. We'll make it thin, put some glue at the end. And I might even do this a few times. Let's have a look. Get orange, maybe I'll get a bit of black. Bit of black. I might feed it through. Or actually, what I might do is glue this to my paper. And then glue this. And then I might glue that on top of my orange, and I'll show you in a sec what I've done. I might even try and do a third one. So that's what we've got so far. Okay, for the people that love drawing, you could use some Sharpies. Here we've got, I'll get some pink, and now we're going to do some zigzags, okay? Zigzags is just a whole load of folds, so folding one way, then I'm going to turn it around, fold it the other way. Turn it around, fold it one way, fold it the other way, until we have some zigzagging. So I might even do, because we're trying to get really crazy, okay, and I might stick it to that. Okay, I'll lift it up again. Maybe I should actually try and raise it. There we go. What else could I do? Yes, I will get some yellow, okay. If you don't have all these colors, you could actually just paint newspapers, cardboard, recycled paper, paper bags. You could use any of that to paint or color, okay? Or you could just do strange ones, not strange, but different colors. And as long as your paper on the floor is green, you're all good. Here I've got some yellow, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twirl it around my pen, okay? And now I've got a big twirl, okay? So I'm gonna put that down. And this is all we are going to do today. This is your homework, okay? Tomorrow, or actually my next video, will be how we're gonna make it look like it's at the swimming pool or at the park, all right? So I'm gonna glue this down, and slowly, 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 I am building my sculpture for our green screen activity. You could go crazy on this, okay? And I will show you some examples on the internet. But for now, let's make our paper sculpture on our green ground ready for our green screen activity, which I will show you in the next video. All right, everybody. I will see you soon. Have fun making your paper sculpture, and I can't wait to show you how we're going to make this look like magic. Okay, see you later.